Prime. I am Daedrin. Romain Virgo delivered the ultimate Father's Day concert with the Gentleman Tour. The Ranny Williams Entertainment Center, a full house. People from far and near flocked the venue on Sunday for the Kingston leg of Virgo's tour. With a star-studded lineup of artists, the father of two delivered the ultimate show, leaving patrons in awe. For some, that was just whetting of their appetite as they eagerly made room for the main course. At a loss for words, Romain expressed gratitude to his fans.
Beautiful, amazing, perfect day, and I'm so happy for the fathers, to get something like this, the turnout, and the city crowd is like, I don't know what to do with myself. Unbelievable. Thank you, Jamaica. Thank you, Kingston, for this turnout. Amazing.
But what was to come next had patrons and Virgo erupting in excitement when one of his biggest inspirations made a surprise performance, leaving them thirsting for more.
Mr. Beres Hammond, my general, thank you so much for coming out to the Gentleman concert and singing for the people of Kingston, for the people of Jamaica. Amazing. We thank you. We appreciate you. Big love every time.
Multi-million-dollar investment for Jamaica's 62nd independence celebration. Now, Jamaica's independence celebration is about to get even sweeter after inking a partnership with J-Rin Nephew. J-Rin's nephew made a multi-million-dollar investment to Jamaica's 62nd independence and emancipation celebrations.
We are committing 20 million to support the various events being executed by the Ministry of Culture through its agency, the JCDC. We will also support our private sector partners with other events during the period to ensure that Jamaicans from across the island can experience the best of Jamaica 62.
Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy-Grange lauded the initiative.
As we continue to make progress in advancing and positioning culture center stage, the engagement of corporate Jamaica through partnerships such as this underscore a shift towards supporting and promoting our cultural heritage.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedrin. Thank you for watching.